Welcome to another episode of the GSatTrack How-To series. In this video, we're going to cover Asset Movement Report. To begin, you want to enter GSatTrack, then go to your navigation panel, choose the Reports button, then click on Asset Movement Reports. This report specifically gives you information regarding the last known location of your device and the movement of these devices, whether they've moved over time. So, with this, you have the ability to create filters to understand whether or not a device has moved in or out of a geofence. Here we can choose the particular geofence that we may have previously created. Next, we can also see what assets have moved or come near a place or not been near a place. Again, we have a drop down to choose the particular location that we've set up. It's important to note that places and to understand near or not near, our current standing is that in order to be near an asset, a device would have had to come within 50 meters of it. If it has not happened and it stayed beyond that 50 meters, it would be not near. Next, we have the ability to set the time frame of our report, days, hours, minutes, or seconds. In this case, I'm going to do a couple of individual pieces. I'm going to make sure and see what devices have come into contact with a geofence. I'm going to put the branch headquarters. I'm also going to see if it's come near the actual branch office. So next, we can see based on a color coding what the current movement status of our devices are. Whether or not, if it's green, that means it's moved within the time frame. If it's red, it means that it hasn't. And then finally, we also have a status for never moved. So I'm going to change this to 24 hours, see what devices are displayed now. Once we've set all the parameters, we want to hit filter, and this will break down the report for us. So we can see what devices have moved or come into contact with the branch headquarters or branch office. And actually, none of them have, and that would be in line with our current COVID situation. You're also able to go ahead and export either via Excel or PDF your report so you can go ahead and use the information at a later date. Now, we can see over time what devices have at one point or another come into contact with our information. So even though we're not indicating what's being done at this moment or in the last 24 hours, what has come into contact with the branch headquarters, we can see other devices that have. So that's how the Asset Movement Report works, how you generate it, and the information that can be gained from it. Thank you very much, and I look forward to our next video.